Hello!
So we are very excited because here we are going on our another international trip.
Yes.
As you must have seen in our Dapoli vlogs that we have got our Schengen visa for 2 years and we had applied for Switzerland, so that's where we are going. And as usual we are late, so I think we should make a move.
Yeah.
And we'll keep you posted.
We got late because we were trying to find out all the places where DDLJ has been shot, and we are going to go to all of those places. So stay tuned to our vlogs. Our journey to the airport starts right away. Let's go!
My travel outfit.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
I think it's super cool.
Look at my new bag.
Oh, lovely.
Pretty.
Yes, and our car is here.
Shay, show us your travel outfit. Damn cool.
Saudi. We are back to this place after 10 months.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Saudi किधर होगा? How do we find out? आओ इधर देखते हैं. हम अपने पैर को अपने सूटकेसेस पे टिका के अब बैठे हैं यहाँ पे टू बोर्ड आवर फ्लाइट एंड नाउ मे बी विल कैच अप ऑन जस्ट सम स्लीप बिकॉज वी आर एक्सट्रीमली टायर्ड. हम 2 दिन से ढंग से सो नहीं पाए हैं क्योंकि हमने सारा पैकिंग लास्ट मिनट किया है. आवर सूटकेसेस वर ओपनड लास्ट नाइट एट 12 o'clock और हमने आधा घंटा पैकिंग किया. नहीं,
We had office today also. So.
हाँ, और हम 3 बजे तक पैकिंग किए हैं, फिर 7 बजे ऑफिस गए हैं, फिर 6 बजे वापस आए हैं. 2 घंटे में पैक करके फिर थोड़ा रिलैक्स किए, फिर निकल के आ गए हैं. तो हम बहुत स्लीपी हैं, पर we'll catch up on some sleep if possible and then board our flight to first Jeddah and then we have a connecting flight from Jeddah to Geneva.
Wow. Oh my God, so much of leg room, Akshay.
Yes.
Wow.
इस प्यार को मैं क्या नाम दूँ.
So we've reached Jeddah now and we have a layover of roughly 5 hours over here. Sangeeta's already dozed off because she's so sleepy. As we said, we didn't get sleep last night, तो हम यहाँ lounge में हैं अब. It's extremely comfortable. Decent lounge. They've got some breakfast here, fruit juice, there's Pepsi, Coke, all of it. So I'm gonna munch on something. I've just been gorging on food. I had a biryani back at home for dinner last night and then another biryani on the flight and now I'm already hungry for breakfast. So
इस प्यार को मैं
major cravings. But yeah, gonna eat some food and then even I'll catch on some sleep before our connecting flight at 9:40. It's right now 6:50. तो 3 घंटे में flight है.
Saudia SkyTeam Alliance, we extend our heartfelt appreciation for choosing to fly with us. Sangeeta.
Good morning. Guten Morgen, everyone. That's German for good morning.
Good morning.
It's our first day in Zurich. Yesterday we flew to Geneva and then drove down to Zurich. And we were so tired through the day that we just plopped onto our beds and just went off to sleep. So we couldn't even show you and give you a tour of our B&B, but we plan to do that today, right?
Yes, we do.
And for today, we have planned to drive up to Schaffhausen, which is close to the German border, where we are going to witness Rhine Falls. For those of you who don't know about Rhine Falls, we'll let you know a little bit more about it once we get there. And then in the evening, we have a tour of the Lindt chocolate factory that we've booked in advance, and we are really excited for that.
Yeah, it's the world of chocolate. That's what
Yes.
it's called.
And Sangeeta can't wait to get to it.
Yeah, they have lot of samplers. So I told Akshay we'll not have dinner and we'll gorge on a lot of chocolate. I love Lindt chocolate since childhood. I think उस time पे इंडिया में उतना मिलता नहीं था, but one of my friends' dad lived abroad, so he got us these chocolates, and since then a big fan. So really excited to enjoy and sample all the wonderful chocolates. Also find out a lot of history about the same, and we have a huge list of all the chocolates that our friends want us to get. So we're going to try that. Also, we have heard that there are some very specific flavors that are only found here. So we'll also figure that out and taste and let you guys know how we like it.
Absolutely. So, we are excited for today. Hope you are.
अक्षय, ये completely हमें अम्बोली घाट की याद दिलाता है, नहीं?
यस, दाम्बोली घाट जो बॉम्बे गोवा के रास्ते में आता है.
मतलब exactly वही है.
हाँ, जस्ट ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आगे अशोक लेलैंड की ट्रक ब्रेक डाउन हो रखी है.
नहीं, but one thing is different है, ये roads better है.
यस, फॉर श्योर.
और क्या है पता है, उतना dense नहीं है, जिसकी वजह से other side दिखता है. अम्बोली घाट is completely like blindsided.
ट्रू.
So pretty but so green.
The skies are absolutely like
Yeah.
clear skies, blue skies. That's beautiful.
Yeah. I am missing Mumbai.
Yes.
Yes, a
Clearly.
little bit.
Hello. So we've arrived at Rhine Falls. Now we are on the west side of the Rhine Falls. And why हम लोग west side पे आए हैं and not on the east side is because if you want to take a boat to the Rhine Falls, अगर Rhine Falls के बीच का जो रॉक है अगर आप ऊपर चढ़ना चाहते हैं तो you get the boat from the west side of the Rhine Falls. So we've come to this area which is called Schlossworth. यहाँ Schlossworth में parking की है हमने and now we'll be going down to the Rhine Falls जहाँ से हमको अपनी बोट मिलेगी. Having said that, I think we will also go to the east side because there are बहुत कुछ सारे वहाँ decks हैं from where you can witness the Rhine Fall in all its glory. So we will probably also go to the east side, but for starters we are going to go this way to get our boat up to the Rhine Falls. So let's go. Situated near the historic town of Schaffhausen in northern Switzerland, the Rhine Falls are not just the largest waterfalls in Europe by volume, they are a breathtaking display of nature's raw, untamed power. For over 15,000 years since the end of the last ice age, the mighty Rhine River has carved its path through rugged rocks, creating a spectacle of rushing, thundering water that captivates all who stand before it. Every single second, more than 600,000 litres of crystal clear water plummet down a dramatic 23-meter drop across a width of 150 meters, sending up clouds of mist that catch the sunlight and form fleeting rainbows, shimmering bridges between earth and sky. So guys, we are finally, we've boarded our boat to the Rhine Falls and we are already on our way. And as you can see, that's where we are going to be going. This boat's going to take us there. And while we were really excited, now we are a little bit nervous and overwhelmed by just viewing the volume of water that is flowing here.
अभी वहाँ पे कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा है, पास जाएंगे तो you'll see. But there are basically 3 different types of boats you can take. And out of them we are taking the one that is going closest to the Rhine Falls and also going up the rock. Like we'll be going up the rock, not the boat. But 30 minutes का ride है. A little dangerous, but let's see. Akshay, what are you feeling now?
Between the two of us, I was less scared, but I think right now I'm a little more scared compared to you. Oh my god, look at that.
Yeah. Let's just pan to all the
Yes.
beautiful views.
Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Insane. From specially built panoramic platforms, visitors can get up close to the roaring heart of the falls, feeling the exhilarating force vibrating through the very rocks beneath their feet. For the truly adventurous like us, boat trips ferry brave souls towards the base of the falls where the sheer volume of water creates a symphony of sound, a relentless drumbeat of nature's energy. So when we bought the ticket, we were told that there is a boat that goes to the rock every 20 minutes, and the same boat will come back, will bring you back, which also comes every 20 minutes. So you get roughly 20 minutes on the rock. But on our part, because we knew we wanted to spend a little more time, we actually asked the person behind the counter if we need to take the same boat which will come back 20 minutes later, or can we extend our stay a little bit more. And that's when she confirmed that you can take any boat back, you can spend as much time at the rock as required. And that's something I think they don't tell you upfront, because people were literally scampering by the end of the
Yeah.
first 20 minutes to get back into the boat.
They were all running because I think they had no idea that they can take the next boat. And we took the next boat and it was very comfortable. Like nobody asked asked us anything.
And I think logically they don't tell you upfront because obviously the Rock is a very constricted place. It can't accommodate too many people at a time. But on your part, if you want to spend some more time and 20 minutes are not seeming enough, be rest assured you can take the next boat back to the dock. Oh भाई साहब. तो राइन फॉल्स के मज़े लेके हम आ गए हैं स्पाइस बिस्ट्रो में, जहाँ हम गॉबल कर रहे हैं समोसा.
बहुत अच्छा है एक्चुअली, बहुत अच्छा है, नहीं एक्सपेक्ट किया था.
हाँ.
और साथ में है इमली की चटनी.
ओह,
यम इट इज.
कितने का है ज़रा वो भी बता दीजिए.
6 फ्रैंक्स, कुछ 600 रुपये.
600 रुपये का एक समोसा. But how is it?
Yum.
Ha-
Filling is also very nice.
Okay.
It's like potato and peas, हमारा favorite.
Nice. All right, we'll munch on this.
सिर्फ एक समोसा में हमारा क्या ही होगा, तो हम अब कुछ और खाने आए हैं. वो ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म होने वाला है, पर आपको दिखाते हैं.
तो हम खा रहे हैं चिकन नूडल्स अगेन एट स्पाइस बिस्ट्रो. एज संगीता सेड, समोसा से मन भरा नहीं, इसलिए हमने ले लिया चिकन नूडल्स. एंड चिकन नूडल्स इज़ रियली गुड. चाइनीज़ स्टाइल में नहीं है, काफ़ी देसी तरह से ही बनाया गया है. बिकॉज द शेफ्स ओवर हियर एट स्पाइस बिस्ट्रो, देर ऑल इंडियंस. चंद्रवीर जी, हु हेल्स फ्रॉम देहरादून, ही यूज्ड टू वर्क एट ताज लायंस एंड अर्लियर. ही इज़ नाउ हियर वर्किंग एट स्पाइस बिस्ट्रो. एंड उन्होंने हमारे लिए ये बोल ऑफ चाउमीन बहुत ही स्पेशली अलग से बनाया है. ही वॉज ऑलरेडी कुकिंग लाइक 3-4 plates for certain locals who had ordered here, पर हमारे लिए उन्होंने अलग से बनाया because he knows that we Indians like our spices to be on the higher side. So it's really tasty. It's got a lot of veggies. It's got celery, it's got spring onions, it's got carrots, and of course there's egg and chicken, and completely dipped in like soy sauce, tomato sauce, chili sauce. So vinegar, yes, vinegar as well. So it's very tasty. तो अगर if you're craving for some after the rain falls, भूख लग जा रही है आपको, and you don't know which of these restaurants you should go to, come here. Just like any other place in Switzerland, again prices are on a higher side, but among all the restaurants that are here, this will be easy on your pocket. So, and to go with that, whoever has watched our France vlogs knows that I can't do without Coke. So, Coca-Cola to go with it.
Hi, one blueberry cheesecake cake, please. Thank you so much. I need the card.
Hello there. You got yourself an ice cream.
Cheers.
What flavor is it?
Blueberry cheesecake, and it's yum because there are chunks of like the like cheesecake का जो ऐसा होता है ना नीचे का बिस्किट, उसका. It's yum.
Give me a bite. We got it from Move and Pick here at the Rhine Falls.
Usually जब ऐसे टूरिस्टी जगह पे आओ तो it's good but not that good, but it's surprisingly very good. टूरिस्टी प्लेसेस में यूजुअली इतना अच्छा नहीं मिलता है, बट इट हैड अ लॉन्ग क्यू एंड लोकल पीपल who come here for a walk or a run were having this ice cream. So I was pretty sure कि अच्छा होगा. जब locals कहीं से खाए, this is a pro tip कि locals जहाँ से भी खा रहे हैं should always try it. It's very good. Show the swirls, Akshay. It's so good, so good. Cute, and I love this. See the cow, and it's so cute.
Yeah.
Very thoughtful.
So that marks the end of our tour of the Rhine Falls, which you obviously saw is so pretty. I know at the beginning of our video we did tell you that we will go on the opposite side to the east side where you see the deck over there, and of course the view from there would also be great. But we did get a very close up view of the Rhine Falls when we went on the rock up there, and I think काफ़ी हो गया Rhine Falls, and there's a lot more to explore. We have 3 days in Zurich, and we do want to explore so much more here. So now we're going to get out from here, from the Rhine Falls, and go up to Zurich, where we're going to explore the old town and show you some great places to eat. So if you're excited, come, let's go. La 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 la. Hey guys, so from Rhine Falls we didn't take off to Zurich. Reason being, I acquired a stiff neck last night. I don't know if it's because of the long travel or did I sleep in a wrong posture. I'm not aware, but it's really painful.
I think it's because there are no pillows. Those are like square cushions.
Yeah.
They are not proper pillows, so maybe that's
Yeah, so we've asked our Airbnb owner if he has rectangular pillows instead of the square ones, which would be more comfortable, but he'll be back in the night. So we got some, we just came back home for some rest. It's not really helped because my neck is still rather stiff. लेकिन हमने इंडियन नुस्खा झंडू बाम का हमने लगाया है, which is giving it some relief. Honestly, I would have loved to stay back, but we have already booked our chocolate factory ticket to Lindt in advance, so we don't want to let go of that. So now we'll head ourselves towards Lindt, home of chocolate, and we'll give you a tour of the chocolate museum. With all this pain, I am still extremely excited, and we are looking forward to it. What do you have to say, Sangeeta?
Yes, absolutely.
So Sangeeta already told you about how excited she is in the morning. Let's get going.
From the moment you enter Lindt World of Chocolate, you're greeted by the sweet aroma of cocoa and the sight of the world's tallest freestanding chocolate fountain, an astonishing 9-meter high, free-flowing 1500 kgs of molten Lindt chocolate.
Explore a spectacular interactive museum that tells the story of chocolate. Your journey begins thousands of years ago, deep in the tropical rainforests of Central America, where the ancient Mayans first discovered the magic of the cocoa bean. Through dynamic exhibits, vivid reconstructions, and multimedia displays, you're transported to a time when cocoa was considered the food of the gods, a sacred elixir reserved for royalty and warriors.
From the Mayan temples to the royal courts of Europe, and finally to the Swiss Alps, where chocolate was transformed into smooth, melt in your mouth delight we know and love today.
Every step of the experience is designed to be hands-on and immersive. Interactive screens allow you to touch, explore, and learn about the entire chocolate making process, from the cultivation of the cocoa beans to the fine art of conching and tempering. The museum also celebrates Swiss innovation. Here you'll meet the pioneers who revolutionized chocolate, like Rodolphe Lindt, whose invention of the conching machine in 1879 forever changed the texture and taste of chocolate.
As you move deeper into the Lindt Home of Chocolate's interactive museum, you arrive at one of its most fascinating chapters, a tribute to the incredible evolution of chocolate making. This section brings history to life, showing how the earliest rough textured cocoa pastes give way to the smooth, silky chocolate that we know today.
One of the most captivating highlights here is the exhibit dedicated to chocolate molds, a true celebration of craftsmanship and creativity. You'll see a dazzling array of antique and modern molds, ranging from simple bar shapes to elaborate figures like Easter bunnies, Santa Clauses, and even intricate praline casings. The exhibit reveals how molds evolved from heavy hand-cast metal forms to today's precision-engineered silicon and polycarbonate tools. Well, now that we have all the documentary type notes out of the way, let's get down to something fun, the tasting.
एक चम्मच से मेरा क्या होगा? ये कौन सा है? ये कौन सा है?
लिखा नहीं है. contains milk soy. Hey, press it. Squeeze it.
Please pull. Okay. Pull. अरे और तो
That's it. That's it. लालच का अगर चेहरा आप लोगों ने नहीं देखा है, ये रहा
Yum.
मिल्क चॉकलेट.
Yeah. This is the classic. Pull. Yo. Pull. Yes.
Little sweeter than the dark chocolate one,
Of course.
but it's really tasty. Have. है ना?
Yum. Very milky.
Little caramelly.
No, milky only. White will be yum.
Where are you supposed to dispose these?
No idea, but take it na in the same spoon, Akshay.
Fresh spoon for white.
Fresh हो गया छाट के.
Okay. So then we're gonna be.
This will be my favorite. I feel.
Now we'll be trying white
Oh,
chocolate.
the white gold. Akshay, take lots, huh? Keep pulling. More. This will be yum. Have it. Yum.
So this is for anyone who wants an immediate sugar rush. Have like 2-3 spoons of this, and you'll be
Yeah.
like.
You need to pull. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Most welcome. We took a while to figure it out. Milk chocolate for you, dark chocolate for me.
Yay. Akshay, drop it. It's over.
गौर से देखिए इस लालच के चेहरे को.
मुझे चाहिए डार्क चॉकलेट.
ये लालच का चेहरा अब डार्क चॉकलेट की ओर बढ़ चुका है.
ये लोग पूरा फाउंटेन गोल क्यों नहीं देते?
अरे स्पून तो भरा नहीं.
इस प्यार को मैं क्या नाम दूं
आगे बढ़ा जाए.
So cute. It's Go Akshay, try. Yes.
So this is basically where you can sample some of the Lindt chocolates, and it's like a game. They have the information about which flavor of the chocolate is there inside it, but the game is that you have a piece of it and then you guess what it is, and then you switch on the light here to know if you are right or not.
Okay, let's
Let's
try
try it.
this. Yes.
Okay. Here we have. It seems like sea salt.
Okay.
Let's see. A hint of salt, dark chocolate with sea salt.
Our favorite.
Our favorite one. Show us. You're trying the sea salt as well? This is the one we always have.
This is our favorite.
Love it. And so they have like 3-4 flavors here that you can try. And yeah, beautiful experience. Moving on. Up. Sure.
थोड़ा सा और. नहीं.
What are you laughing about, Sangeeta? Just show us.
No.
What are you laughing? Are you siphoning off chocolates? No. What is in the other hand?
No.
What is in the huh?
What is it? Should we try this also?
Switzerland will be emptied of all its chocolate reserves after all of this.
I'll eat in 5 minutes. Leave me alone.
Which one is this? Intense dark chocolate with 70%. Sangeeta,
Yes,
please read this.
just one of
Keep your eye on her.
No.
You need to keep your eye on her. She'll empty it.
Fine, one of each. This is my favorite. Actually, this is the one.
Yeah. Stracciatella.
वो मुझे ही लेके आई अच्छा है दौड़ दौड़ के
मैंने बोला ना उसको.
तुम्हारे पास चॉकलेट है
बेचैन दिल को कैसे आराम
मेरे पॉकेट में रखोगे अपने पॉकेट में
Pockets are getting full.
This is the color we are trying today. So we have tried all colors. I've kept the wrapper so that I know which ones I like, which ones I don't. And this is all the chocolate we got from Lindt Home of Chocolate. So today's color is blue. It doesn't say what is the name, but it's white chocolate. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. Mmm. So good.
Mm.
What is it? Oreo and cream type?
No, it's just plain white chocolate and just a little bit of.
There's
Chocolate
something
bit.
to it. We'll figure it out. I love it. Maybe
Alright.
we can buy this as well.
Okay. So Sangeeta just figured out through Google that is.
It's milk and white. So it's chocolate truffle flavor. Chocolate truffle, milk and white. This is the one. We're gonna buy this as well.
All right. With that, we are finally off to start our day today.
But you need to come back for part 2 of this vlog. Get ready for the next chapter of our Switzerland road trip. This time exploring the scenic countryside around Zurich, heading up to the iconic Mount Titlis where DDLJ was shot, strolling through the beautiful alleys of Lucerne and wrapping up the day with a hot pot of delicious cheese fondue. Don't miss it. Until then,
Doo-doo!